Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. And in this video, we're going to show you websites that you can use to start making money online. So if this is your first time to our channel, we invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you could be notified when we upload new videos. Now, let me first start off explaining the difference between an active income and a passive income, because we're going to be actually sharing websites that you can use to earn an active income and also a passive income. So an active income is basically where you're trading your time for money just like you would at a regular 9-to-5 job. You're providing services and then you're getting paid in return. Now when it comes to earning a passive income, this is pretty much where you create a product or a course or a service that you can earn a residual income from. For example, a method that you can use to earn a passive income is by writing an ebook, because it's a product that you create one time and then you can have it sold multiple times. So the first method that I want to talk about is the active income method. So the first website is going to be user testing. Now this is a website that pays you to go to other websites and test them out. And it's pretty simple in order to get started. So how it works is that you visit a website or an app that they send you to, and then you have to complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then you get paid. It's pretty simple. So in order for you to sign up, all you need is a computer with internet connection. You need to be able to download their testing software. You need to be 18 years old, and you also need to speak your thoughts out loud in English. So if you're wondering how much you would get paid, you get paid about $10 for every 20-minute video that you complete. So the next method that I want to talk about that you can use to earn an active income is through freelancing. And the first website you see right here is called Fiverr. So Fiverr is a freelancing website where you can provide services to people and then you get paid in return for them. So if you're wondering how it works, you basically create a gig, which is a service that you're offering, and then whenever somebody wants your service, they contact you and then you provide the work for them and then you get paid. So they pay you. Payment is transferred once you complete your service. And if you're wondering what kind of freelancing services that they offer, there's many of them, such as digital marketing, graphic design, video editing, web development, and many more. Now, the next website is going to be called Upwork. Now, this is pretty similar to Fiverr. It's another freelancing website where you can sell your services and get paid for them. Basically, it's similar to how Fiverr would work. You post a job, and then freelancers come to you. So you would work with them, talk to them, and they would let you know what they need done for them. And then once you complete your service, then that's when you get paid. Now, the next website is a website where you write articles. Now this is called Textbroker, and unfortunately right now it's only available to people in the United States. So how Textbroker would work is that the first thing you would do is register for free, and then you would verify that you're a US citizen, and then you're gonna submit a writing sample to them. Now the reason why they have you submit a writing sample is so they can evaluate your writing skills. So they're gonna take a few days to evaluate your writing skills, and they're gonna give you a star rating. After you receive your rating, you're going to complete your profile, and then you're going to start writing articles for cash. Now, if you're wondering how much they pay you, they break it down on the page where it explains how the payment works. So if you have a 2-star rating, you're going to get paid 0 cents per word. And honestly, that's chump change right there. But as you can see, if you have a 5-star rating, you can earn 5 cents per word. Now that can add up pretty quickly. So I would recommend this for people who are really interested in writing articles and people who are looking to improve their writing skills and earn money from it. Okay, so these are the different websites that you can use to earn an active income. So I'm going to be talking about the passive income websites now. So this first website is going to be called Teachable. Now this is a website where you can host your online course and you can get paid for having people enroll into your course. Now the way it would work is basically you create your course onto Teachable. You're gonna upload your content. You make your school nice and engage with your students, and then you can share knowledge and be rewarded. So if you're wondering how it would work as far as the pricing, they have monthly and annual plans available. So for the basic plan, if you're looking to pay monthly, is for $39. So basically you host your course onto Teachable, and then they handle the transaction fee whenever somebody enrolls in your course, and then you pay $39 a month. Now, the reason why this is a way to make a passive income is because you can create a course one time and you can have many people enroll into it. So you're basically earning money again and again from creating a product one time. So now the next method is going to be through affiliate marketing. So as you guys may know, Amazon is a very popular website and you can make money with Amazon as an affiliate. So how would you do this is when you go to the Amazon homepage, you're going to scroll down, and on the bottom it's going to say make money with us. You're going to look for the part where it says become an affiliate. And then you're going to click on that, and what it's going to do is going to take you to the next page where they explain how the process would work. You would join their program, you would advertise their products for them. And advertising their product is just simply posting an affiliate link on other websites such as blog articles, forums. And when somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they buy that product, then you earn a commission. So it's free to sign up, but I believe now you need a website in order to become an affiliate. Okay, so the next method that you can use is called Shutterstock. This is where you're going to be selling stock photos to earn money. So you can also sell stock music, stock footage, and even vector art. So whenever somebody comes to this website, they're looking to buy stock photos that they can use for whatever, like a blog article, their website. They're basically paying for the rights to use these images however they want. So if you were to sell content onto Shutterstock, meaning you would upload your own stock images, photos, or footage, then you can get paid royalties every time somebody buys the rights to use your content. So basically how it would work is the same as all these other methods. Is you go to the bottom where it says sell content, and then pretty much you create your content. It can be high quality images for their customers to download, and then you're going to submit it to Shutterstock, and then you get paid every time somebody downloads your content. Now another way that you can earn a passive income is by writing an ebook. So if you have a good amount of knowledge in a certain area and you know people would be willing to learn that knowledge, you can create an ebook, and then you can sell that ebook on websites like Amazon Kindle or even Fiverr. So it can be a topic about anything that somebody would be interested in learning about. Now the next method that you can earn a passive income is through e-commerce. Now you can use a website called Shopify to create your own online store. It can be a store where you sell t-shirts, you sell hoodies, you sell accessories. It doesn't even matter. You can sell almost anything just by creating an online store through Shopify. Now the last method that I want to talk about is by creating a YouTube channel. So everybody knows what YouTube is. You're watching this video on YouTube right now. So the way that you would earn money on YouTube is by creating a channel. And in order for you to earn money, you would have to have paid advertisements running before or during or after your video. Now, in order to qualify to have ads running during your videos, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, there's many people who have pretty big channels who are making a good amount of income every month by having ads running through their videos. But you can also monetize your YouTube channel before you become approved for ads is by selling your own products in the description, or as I mentioned, using affiliate marketing and having affiliate links in the descriptions of your videos. So that's basically the websites that you can use to earn money online. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these methods.